Why can anyone build a tram? Not the oil car. The reason is that many high-end machine tools are mastered by European and American scientists. Take the equipment that makes the crankshaft of an engine. Most of the equipment here comes from abroad. Let's take a look at what high-precision equipment is used in the processing of crankshafts. This is the first step in crankshaft machining. Wash the end face and punch the center hole. It's a nitrate washing machine from Ichta, Spain. The knives are from Guri, Germany. And then there's the Undo 134 spindle well machine with Niles Simmons. The cutter head is from Kenner, USA. Each serrated tooth on the cutter head has a different cutter head. Rotate the cutter head to process different parts. The next step was to cancel the connecting rod and secondary spindle wells, also in Niles Simmons. This part requires very high accuracy of the equipment. The position of the connecting rod neck is constantly changing. The movement of the cutter head needs to be consistent with the linkage arm type. Only with precise coordination can the connecting rod neck be eliminated. Then there's the rig oil channel hole. It was a high-precision deep hole punch from Ichta, Spain. The drill comes from the German Valley. Here, 3 crankshafts are punched at the same time. The function of the oil passage hole is to introduce the oil from the main shaft well into the dry well, so as to lubricate the connecting rod well. Then the crankshaft is annealed at high frequency. The equipment uses a high-frequency brittle lighter from German Westmark Elotham, heating the crankshaft surface to 1000 degrees by high-frequency induced current, then spray coolant to quickly anneal. Achieve surface hardening with flexible internal bleed performance. This increases the strength and wear resistance of the crankshaft. The next step is to drill the hydrogenation holes to reduce the weight of the crankshaft with a hole punch from Ichta, Spain. Hollow design can reduce the inertia of crankshaft rotation. It also saves fuel. Then the spindle is connected to the dry neck for coarse membrane and fascia. It uses a British Landis double grinding wheel follow-up grinder. CBN grinding wheel sharpens boots with high precision. The Italian Maber's follow-up measuring head also needs to measure the accuracy in real time. Then the deduplicate. It uses a German deep dynamic balancing machine. The purpose of dynamic balancing is to detect weight deviations in different directions of the connecting rod. Then the weight is balanced by drilling holes in the crankshaft. Make the engine run smoothly and reduce unnecessary wear and tear. The last step is to polish the crankshaft. It uses a fully automatic grinding and polishing machine from Nagel, Germany. The purpose of polishing is to reduce the friction of the crankshaft. Therefore, power consumption is reduced and engine life is improved. See here. Do you think gasoline cars will be replaced by electric cars?